Ops, stop ko muna yung sound test dahil need muna nating mag-unbox. Xiaomi Sound Pocket 5 watts portable Bluetooth speaker. Nabili ko sa Shopee for 696 pesos from Shopee Store Me Online Mall. More than 10,000 units sold na ito. Laman ng box is USB Type-C charging cable, yung sound pocket mismo, and the owner's manual booklet na napakaliit. Finally guys, here we go. Ang design ng Xiaomi Sound Pocket is minimalist at straightforward. Full speaker mesh all around, accented by an orange rubber lanyard. Yung Xiaomi brand logo at plus-minus play buttons are in black embossed rubber, complementing to its minimalist design. Side buttons are discreet as well. Xiaomi made sure no unnecessary over-design was put into the final aesthetic of the Sound Pocket. To turn on, press and hold the power buttons for 3 seconds. And you will really feel this when it comes on. Bluetooth pairing is very easy. I'm sure di kayo maliligaw sa parte na to. Alright, paired na tayo. Time for the sound test. Sound performance. The Sound Pocket has a very deliberate balance of high, mid, and low frequencies. Its high-end vocals gave me a big smile. Plus, it remains distortion-free across the volume band. For a 5-watt speaker, bass performance is good and decent enough. On the sub-bass frequency though, it dampens the sound of deep bass tones to mask its limitations. This is its way of delivering a well-balanced sound. Since maliit na 5-watt speaker ito, one needs to be realistic sa bass performance. For now, ito ang paborito kong 5 watts Bluetooth speaker. I also have the JBL Go 4, so go figure. For its award-winning design, price, and sound performance, the Xiaomi Sound Pocket is hard to beat. Sound quality has been optimally tuned, and the woofer effect is the best I've heard so far. Although power-hungry at full volume, it's acceptable relative to the competition. Thank you so much for watching up to this point, guys. Please remember to click the like and subscribe button. Ingat po sila. Mateswen, out!